Italian Dict is a dedicated diagnostic reference platform that helps users interpret Ferrari fault information and plan the next inspection steps more efficiently. The Italian Dict workflow is built around three main steps. First, select the Ferrari model. The database covers a wide range of compatible vehicles, including models from the 458, 488 California, F12, Roma, Portofino, F8, 812, 296, SF90, Purosang, and 12 Cylindri families. Exact coverage may vary by vehicle, ECU module, and software version. Second, choose the relevant fault category or ECU module. Third, click Search. The software retrieves the available DTC description, possible causes, inspection guidance, and suggested repair direction. Instead of moving between unrelated documents, generic databases, and forum discussions, users can begin with the exact vehicle and system they are working on. It is important to understand that Italian Dict is DTC reference software, not a vehicle communication tool. It does not connect directly to a Ferrari, read or clear fault codes, or perform ECU coding and programming. A compatible diagnostic tool is still required to retrieve fault information from the vehicle. Italian Dict is independent third-party software. It is not official Ferrari software, Ferrari DTCs, or Ferrari Tech Info. For Ferrari owners, technicians, independent workshops, and dealership service teams, Italian Dict provides a more focused and structured way to research diagnostic trouble codes. Before purchasing, confirm that your vehicle, Windows computer, and required ECU coverage match the current software specifications. For full product details, check the link in the video description.